That's why I say today, give us back those bilingual bells. They are ours. They belong to the Philippines. They are part of our national heritage.
On behalf of the United States, it is my great honor to be here at this closing of a painful chapter in our history.
Mula sa eroplano ng US Air Force na naghatid sa mga kampanang ito ng Balanggiga, ilang araw mula ngayon, ililipad na ito sa kanilang bayang Sinilangan.
The bells of Balanggiga are now home, in the Philippines, where they belong. May they ring in peace and bear testament to the ties and values which bind our two great nations for generations to come.
Happy kami dumating na. For how many years? Nandito na rin. Thank you, Lord. Bless America because they returned our bell and bless our Balanggiga.
Bells are returned. The credit goes to the American people and to the Filipino people. Period.
Dito ko talaga masasabi na si Presidente Bongbong Marcos ay sobrang adik